Infinity Queen Arcade Hero. Guys, you guys know I have been wanting her for so long, and I finally found her at the store, and I'm just so happy. Box, and the fact that her box is like silvery gray titanium. Look at this. It's like a sparkly, you know, it has like purple sparkles, purple or blue sparkles, and it's not even the same color as the other boys. Like, I love that MGA highlighted her. Oh, her pretty brown skin. I just love the fact that the only girl included, and she looks so cute like this. Her different color hair. I cannot wait to see this hair in person. 15 surprises. And we're about to see if she color changes or not. Oh, I'm gonna do all that. If she color changes, this is gonna be so great. This is so cute, guys. I don't even want to mess up her artwork. You guys know how I feel about messing up all this artwork and stuff. I'm gonna have to cut it through the back. Ah, cute. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, so nice. Oh, look at her. She's just waiting for me to say hi. Ah, she's so cute. Look at her. Just everything about her is so different. I hope they make more girls, guys. I really do. Right, friends? They need to make some more of these and add, it should be like half girls, half boys, or just make a complete set of 12 like they usually do, 6 girls and 6 boys. That will be so cute. Oh, she's so cute. I love her. Ah, just gorge. Just the artwork. You know I'm saving it. I refuse. Let's see what her coin looks like, guys. Okay, her coin is the same. She has the same gold coin. And we are going to push it through. That's, yes. Cute. Open her up. Take her out. Oh, cute. The fact that it's so like titanium. I'm not even gonna call this gray. I call this titanium silver. I love it when MGA does stuff like that. Like, it's just so sweet and special. Look, cute, a darling, adorable. Oh, she's so cute, guys. I'm in love. She is just so pretty. Oh, adorable. Okay, this is not. Look, she has a jetpack, guys. I just realized she has a straight jetpack. Does any other suits have jetpacks? Cause from the front you don't notice that she has it or not. Yeah, that's something that you will only notice if you open her up and look at the back of her. She can fly. So, and you guys can't tell me nothing else about it. I believe she can fly. Look at this artwork. Okay, artwork. Look at the back of this. Look at the back of her suit. Jetpack. I don't think any of them have that. Look at my girl. She is so pretty. Look at Infinity Queen, guys. She is so cute. Adorable. Oh, look at her. Little lavender underwear. And let's get a close-up on this hair, guys. Okay? Artwork. Artwork. You cannot tell me that this isn't pretty. Look at her baby hairs. Like, oh, she is gorgeous. Straight out the pack. Super cute. Look at her adorable helmet. I'm sorry. This is cute. Work. I love it. Okay? Period. She's the best one to me. Okay? Look at this. Her drink is Galactic Punch. Cute. Oh, so cute. This is adorable, guys. Through. This is gorgeous. The hollow glitter just sets it off. I mean, is it a one piece? Let me see. Yep, and it's a one piece, guys. So this all You don't have to worry about losing any pieces. Love it. Notice that she had that. Very, very cute. Adorable. Look at these shoes. You know Dan Spot from the Glitter Lights series, the Glow? She has some shoes similar where they're all glittery, but these are cute. Jelly pink with hollow glitter. Adorable. You guys cannot tell me this is not pretty. So cute. Hey guys, isn't this cute? This is adorable. And then it has little straps. Very on trend because a lot of jelly clear strap things are coming back in. Okay. Adorable. Cute. Very pretty. Very cute. She's so cute. You guys, this is cute. I love that it fits with the underwear on. And then she can have her suit on if she needs it. Very, very cute. You guys, the end result, her and her suit. Very, very cute. Very nice. I just really wanted to zoom in on some of the things that they've got going on. So cute. And we'll see you later, friends, okay? Bye now.